the previous video, I showed you how to install WordPress from the subdomain. Now, I will show you how to install WordPress from the main domain. To install WordPress from the main domain, make your way to cPanel. Under Software, click the Softaculous App Installer feature. Under Top Scripts, click WordPress. Then Install. Under Software Setup, choose the latest version of WordPress to install. And if you have more than one domain name, choose the domain name from the drop-down menu. Also ensure that the correct protocol is selected. You want to use HTTPS rather than HTTP, as this means your website is secure. Ensure that there is nothing in the indirectory field. Under Site Settings, enter the site name and site description. Don't worry if you are not sure what you want these to be yet. You can always change site settings in WordPress settings later. Under Admin Account, enter the admin username, password, and email. Choose a language. Lastly, you can select a theme. Alternatively, you can leave the default theme as it is, and select a theme in the next video of the course. Then click the Install button. Wait a few seconds for the installation. When the installation is successful, you will receive a "Congratulations, the software was installed successfully" message. Then you will receive a link to your website and an administrative URL link. When you click the administrative URL link, you will be redirected to the WordPress admin area. Another way to access the admin area is by clicking the website link, and then, on the address bar type /wp-admin. You will be redirected to the admin area login page. There enter your username and password, and then log in.